Vedas. Ayurveda, yoga, pranayama, dhyana, nididhyasana or samadhi, these are all different stages, different types which stem from the Vedic base, Vedic structure. So there is a sanctity for yoga. The difference between the physical fitness gym and the yoga is this has been given by the god Dhanvantari, who brings Ayurveda, which branches out into different directions and dimensions. Yoga becomes one. It is associated with the Amrita. Yogis are the people who attain immortality. Yogis, their life will be different because the lifespan enhances, understanding of the life enhances. Every day's life becomes most meaningful, fulfilling, and every second it will be bubbling. You enjoy the life, and life becomes spirited and spiritual. These are all the indirect psychological benefits of yoga. You start enjoying every bit of life, every minute of life. And you get spirits from within. In a way, you get spirited and you become spiritual. Then, yoga automatically, gradually, slowly reduces the depression. Yoga is considered as a catalyst for the mood change. You can change your mood, and all the depression, the dejection, the frustration, disappointment, disenchantment, disillusion, which is the order of the day in the present din and roar of the marketplace. If at all you have to overcome these psychological disappointments, best thing is yoga. Vasudeva Kriya Yoga speciality is it puts life into life. Because it straight away deals with the life. Then which is the life source and which is the life force? Prana is the life source and prana is the life force. And it deals so delicately, without affecting any part of the body or any part of the mind. It increases the value pattern, the value system of our breathing technique. It's called value addition for our normal breathing. In simple words, value addition for our normal breathing. It focuses on the exhale techniques. Already Rajendra must have told you about the breathing, the frequency of breathing, breathing in a rabbit, breathing in an elephant, breathing in human beings, breathing in yogis, breathing in rishis. And the life, the health, number of years of living, everything now depends upon one single simple factor, your breathing in and breathing out. So carefully, Rajendra and some of his friends have done extensive and intensive research into this, added value for our breathing systems, simultaneously increasing the flexibility of the body and the muscle systems. As a result, what happens? The body becomes active, mind becomes alert. Body becomes active, mind becomes alert, so that a dynamic mind-body equilibrium is created in Vasudeva Kriya Yoga. A dynamic mind-body equilibrium, always mental alertness and body flexibility, mobility of the body. And psychological benefit of Vasudeva Kriya Yoga is it reduces tension, increases attention. It reduces tension. Gradually, you develop control. You develop self-control. Self-control is the best control. Don't allow others to have control over you. That doesn't mean that you should not be controlled. You must have self-control so that situation will not go out of control. Self-control is the best. Somewhere somebody controls. Even though I say that I like freedom. Freedom is the value for me, and freedom is the greatest value for me. I don't like anybody controlling me. And if you don't like any other person to control you, then you develop self-control. And self-control is the best control. And those who have the self-control, for them, situation will not go out of control. And this control mechanism, increased self-control, the celibacy, the pranayama, meditation, all these things are aimed on one thing: self-control, self-discipline, self-confidence. Self-control, self-discipline, self-confidence. That gives you extraordinary energy. Many people feel that if you go to gym, we will have the biceps, muscle power terribly. Having the flesh increased and inflated, bloating the flesh is different. Developing the vitalities from within is different. Developing the vitality from within and getting the spirit and the energy from within is the yoga. And that energizing from within makes you bold, brave, courageous, fearless. You can take on the world, you can face the world, you develop a new face, you can face the world face to face, and you can talk to anybody, you can take anybody, you can get anybody, you can grasp anybody, you can control anybody. This is a very tender, delicate, gradual and natural process filtering that is introduced through the vitality induction into the spirits from within. The muscle development and the biceps development is different from the vitality induction, what is the life force. So the gradual benefit of the Vasudeva Kriya Yoga is it increases the energy within, the vital force within, which develops the self-confidence, which makes you bold and brave. In this modern, bold world of science and technology, the old world of tradition and orthodoxy is fading away fast, and a modern, new wave, bold world of science and technological advancement is approaching. If you want to take upon face to face this new brave world, basically you must have thunder inside, you must have lightning inside. Thunder is vitality and energy, lightning is knowledge and cutting edge. And knowledge and cutting edge comes from the Vasudeva Kriya Yoga, because even though most of the other yogas are doing very well, here the conceptual frame and the conceptual foundation is extraordinarily great. Always Rajendra will be telling in most of his lectures, you must have understood it. There is a philosophy in the life of everybody. There is a philosophy for every institution. There is a philosophy for every system. Yoga is a system. It should be based on philosophy. In fact, when yoga emerged, it emerged as branch of the Veda, the Upanishads, the scriptures. The very fact that it came out of it, it has sanctity, it is so sacred, it is identified with the God. And all those people who come to yoga, it is not just a barter system. You pay and you learn nothing doing. You have the blessing of the God. You are graced by the God. And God has entered you indirectly through the yoga. Yoga means Yogacharya. Through Yogacharya, Dhanvantari. Dhanvantari means the God of medicine. Dhanvantari means the God of all cures. Dhanvantari means the God of purity. Dhanvantari means the God of tranquility. Dhanvantari means the God of peace. Dhanvantari means the God of immortality. Dhanvantari means the God who brings you continuous progress and prosperity. Indian yoga system is based on this Dhanvantari practice and Dhanvantari grace. Grace of Dhanvantari brings you peace. Grace of Dhanvantari brings you grace. So when you come here,